Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Heitor 2. I'm your host, Heitor Santiago, and Mommy's joining us again.
Hi guys.
Today, we are going to be making a strawberry pie this time because it's very tasty and I hope you're gonna love it.
So we need some dessert shelf, that is angel cakes. We need some strawberry cheesecake Philadelphia.
Speaking of an angel, I was born as an angel.
You always an angel. Marshmallow cream and a strawberry jelly.
Don't you mean strawberry jam?
Jam. So we're gonna mix together the marshmallow. Let's put some over here.
It kind of looks like strawberry ice cream, that one.
Look like, right?
Uh-huh. Man, ice cream pie. That is funny.
So let's put together the marshmallow cream and cream cheese strawberry.
Now what?
Now we're gonna mix them together like this.
Ooh, mixy, mixity mix. Look at that mixing. It's so satisfying.
Yeah, because the marshmallow is sweet. The cream cheese is a little sour, but the strawberry makes sweet too.
It looks like you're battering it. You know, like.
Okay, so we already mixed all of them together. Now it's time for us to grab plate. Get some dessert shelf like that. Okay.
It looks good. I have no idea why the pie looks like that, but it's pie.
It's a pie. It's a cake pie. Then we're gonna put the cheesecake strawberry.
Oh, I
rice.
see. You're putting in. There's a hole right there, so that way you have a big benches, so that way you can put anything inside.
Got it. See, you understand it very well.
We always learn something new. That's what they always say.
And to finish your pie, we're gonna put on top
Strawberry jam.
strawberry jam.
Man, it looks like a cherry on top. And just like that,
And just like that, you have your
strawberry pie. Thanks for watching. Make sure to try this strawberry pie because it's very tasty. Well, bye.